welcome to Flygfabriken and our weekly update. I'm sitting in the office now because I've been sitting in the office for almost all week. But we have had time to fly with our own airplane, the LN-3 Seagull. It's a lovely autumn day. We have also received some epoxy materials so we could finalize the wing plug that we worked on previous week. We're still waiting for the servo motor for the below the milling machine, but it's on its way, so during next week hopefully it will arrive. That's all for now, and I just want to wish you all a pleasant weekend and hope to see you again in a week or so. Thank you for watching.